most of the work that we've done in here has been time lapses. So I'm going to give you a quick run around the room of what we've put in, and then I'm going to show you all of like the little things that I've got for the room, like little like accessories and decor and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do just now. And then tomorrow I have cushion inserts arriving tomorrow and a guitar rack. So when they arrive, I'll let you see everything completely finished. But for now, I'll turn the camera around and show you guys. So we painted all of the walls a white, diamond white I think it was, or pure white, because they were green originally and they weren't very nice. We then put sofa covers on because we've got cream leather sofas. Neither me or Spuggy like leather sofas, so we've covered them over. We picked this rug up from eBay, which is just like ivory and black, and it's shaggy, but it's not a super thick pile one, so we're able to hoover it. And then we've got our family canvas up there. We've got these two LED love hearts. Spuggy put the telly, a fireplace on the wall, which he's done an amazing job with. We've got guitars, two Telecaster guitars going in here. And then for little things, I picked this table up from B&M's, and I'm gonna marble, like contact marble paper the top, and I've spray painted the legs gold because we're obviously going for a gold theme in here. We've gone for gold, black and white mainly for the things that we could change. And then I picked up this 2-foot diameter sort of shaggy circle rug to go under the coffee table, which is super nice. So when this is finished, hopefully it'll look much nicer. As for little things, so we have this vase here, which we actually got given by Spuggy's auntie, and we've always used it for like putting fairy lights in, but they just sat in the hallway, and this is actually a really beautiful vase, so I wanted to use it. So I spray painted the base gold and I spray painted this rim gold around the top as well, and I'm going to put water in that with these, which are floating tea lights. And this is going to go on the windowsill because obviously I don't want Nicholas to be able to grab them. And then I have these photos which are going up on the radiator, which Spuggy bought a radiator cover for because obviously we have a 1-year-old. And it's just 2 of our maternity shoot photos, and then one of Nicholas as a newborn. Obviously when the new baby arrives we'll have to get another one of those, but those are both in different shades of copper and gold to match everything else. And then I've got these 2 candle holders which I bought from Amazon. I think they're supposed to be for tea lights, but there's 2 of the Asda vanilla candles in here. These are my favourite cheap and cheerful candles to pick up. I usually spend more money on candles at Christmas, but for everyday use those are perfect. So they're going on the windowsill as well because they're obviously lit candles. Don't want Nicholas to grab them. This is a beautiful thing that I got from the range. It's like in a distressed oldie worldy gold with a glass bit, and inside is a large cinnamon Yankee candle. Haven't decided where that's going yet, but it will be going somewhere. I have 2 sets of copper wire lights because I always find a place for fairy lights. I picked up this set of 3 candles from Amazon, which are remote controlled and they like flicker like real candles, so I like them. They're much safer for noodles. And then I picked up this candle from B&M's because the smell of it is amazing. It's mandarin and cassis. Not a scent I'd usually go for. I usually like my warm spicy winter scents, but this is beautiful, so that'll probably be our summer scent. And then I picked this up from Amazon, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed about it. A, I ordered a gold one and they sent it in silver. And secondly, I just assumed it was gonna be much bigger, but I never measure anything, so it's my own fault. It's got little lights in it, and then it's got the Eiffel Tower, and I'm in love with Paris. So these are all like the little decor bits and bobs that I picked up, and I'm sure you guys will see where I put them. So let's jump on with finishing this.